Jonah, what are you doing? Is it making you tired?
Jonah. Jonah.
Jonah, what are you doing? He's like, I don't. I don't like these clothes. Or he's folding. There, fold that. Or throw it. Jonah, what are you doing? Jonah, what are you doing?
You say helping?
Where'd you go? Jonah. Mommy's gonna throw some more on you. Oh, she got you. Yeah.